Hi Katie, this is the research video we discussed, and as promised, I'm gonna be real quick because I know you're probably tired of work, okay? So we're gonna be discussing three main topics throughout the video. We're gonna be discussing keywords, citations, and backlinks, okay? These are the three main factors that are ranking on Google in 2022, alright? So let's jump right into it. The first thing that I'm seeing here is that you guys are not having the required number of words on your landing page, okay? Google requires that you have words on your landing page, and I'm not seeing that here, so that's something we have to fix. Also, we need to make sure that the keyword you're targeting is placed strategically in your content in order for it to be SEO friendly, okay? So yeah, I think you guys have a keyword that you're going for. Northern Virginia's top 1% real estate team. We might have to take a look at changing that, okay, to something like Northern real estate agents in Northern Virginia, okay, because that's something searchers are most likely to search for on a search engine. All right, so considering real estate agents in Northern Virginia to be your keyword, we need to make sure it's either bold, italicized, or underlined, okay? As bold as what we see here, your realtors for life, okay? Yeah, and also one thing about keywords, it's that when you're going for it, you don't need to go at it as broad as you can, okay? Something like Virginia, okay? Virginia is a very big state on its own, so you need to first target certain places in Virginia. So after you've conquered those places and then you have, you know, a website ranking for those keywords, then you can go at Virginia like that, okay? So yeah, that's one thing about keywords. Let's try to see. Okay, so you also need to make sure that you always have your keyword in your URL, okay? That's one major factor that will help your page to rank properly. Also, we need to make sure that your images are saved with your keyword as well. I'm not seeing that either, so that's something we have to fix as well, because your images also help your keyword to improve on itself, and it helps the web page to rank a lot as well, okay? So yeah, so these are what we call anchor texts, okay? You need to make sure you have your keyword in at least one of these. It also helps to improve on your website a lot. Let's move into the citations part, okay? So when you type in real estate agents in Northern Virginia, as I use an example for your keyword, the first thing that appears are the ads, okay? All these are ads, and then after the ads, you move to the map pack section. This is the map pack section. This is what we call the map pack, okay? And the citations are mostly underneath the map pack or beside the map pack, okay? So it's beside the map pack this time around. All these businesses you see here aren't here by coincidence, okay? They have SEO experts that are working for them, that's making them rank and appear here in the first place, okay? So when you take a look at Donna Williams Associates Broker, you can find them right here on the map pack, okay? Debbie Double Associates is here as well, and so is Christiana Doherty, okay? So when I say citations, it simply means submitting your name, address, and phone number to top directories on Google or on the internet as possible, okay? Top directories like YP, LinkedIn, a whole lot of top directories, okay? We have a list of top directories, kind of automated, that we work with, that will naturally just push you to the top, okay? So that's something we could do for you as well, okay? So let's move into the audit itself. Okay, most of the things I talked about earlier, we're gonna be seeing them here, okay? So everything in Word is something that we need to fix. So it says this page should load quicker, okay? Most searchers nowadays don't have time waiting for a page to load more than 2 seconds. They're busy and they gotta move on with their work, so we might have to take a look at reducing your page speed to perfectly 1 or the least 1.5 seconds, okay? And exact keyword not found in his URL, like I said, you need to make sure that your keyword is always found in your URL, okay? Most importantly, your Google authority score is at 57, okay? That's not who we want to be. I mean, we have to be at least 80 upwards, okay? And your Google authority score is being improved as a result of the backlinks and the keyword driven content that you have on your website. Okay, so when I say backlinks, they're simply external links that are from high quality websites that bring some kind of authority to your website. Okay, so we have a setup for that as well. We have a list of high quality links from high quality websites that we can help you with. They're automated as well. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to, it says here that title tag should contain keyword and title tag should begin with keyword. Okay, so when I say title tag, let me show you what a title tag is. Okay, so when we type in your business name in Google, this thing appearing in violet is your title tag. Okay, we need to make sure that this contains your keyword as well, and it should begin with your keyword. Actually, yes, it should begin with the keyword by containing the keyword. That's what it's trying to say. Also, it says here that description tag needs exact keyword. Okay, so after every description title or meta title, there's a description tag. Okay, and this is your meta description. Okay, yeah, all your description, your title description. That's what we mean by description tag and description title. Okay, no image meta tag found. Like I said, your images and saved with your keyword. Add exact keyword to an image file. Add your exact keyword to an alt tag. Everything in red is obviously something that we need to fix. So add a H1, H2, and H3 header tag to this page. Exact keyword to H1, H2, or H3 header tag. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have your headers on your page, and your headers need to contain your keyword as well. Okay, most importantly, okay, so you should have 2,000 minimum of words on this page. Only use exact keyword 2 to 4 times in the content strategically in order for it to be SEO friendly. You need to either bold, italicize, or underline exact keyword. Like I said before, add your exact keyword to your first 100 words on your content. Okay, so the content that you put on your website, you need to make sure you add your exact keyword. It's the first 100 words in the content. Okay, add your exact keyword to an anchor text. Like I said, the anchor text need to contain at least one of your anchor texts need to contain a keyword. Most of these things we see here are technical stuff. Okay, we can't go through all things here with you guys because this is just a pre-audit. Okay, but there's definitely a lot of things that I'm seeing here that we could help you guys with. All right, okay, so mostly we take 67 hours just to do an audit for our clients, a thorough full audit. That we go in deeper into explaining some of the technical stuff to your understanding. Okay, it says here that add a mobile site map. Most importantly, you need to add a mobile site map because that will help the crawlers to be able to crawl your website. Okay, in case someone places a search on Google and your website has that keyword, okay, the mobile site map will help the Google robots to crawl your website and get that information for the person, okay, or the searcher. Okay, so that's important. Well, says here that found 16 links from other sites, found 11 links from unique domains. The page has 10 outbound links. The page has 10 outbound follow links. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of high quality links that we could get you guys. Okay, we have a setup basically for that. Okay, and we could get you guys up there within a few months. Okay, especially when it comes to the links. I see a lot of opportunities. You guys really need to up your game. Okay, so we could definitely do that for you as well. Most of these things are technical stuff. Okay, canonicalize your IP address. Site should be accessible via HTTPS. Okay, so I think this is all for now. There's a lot we could discuss if you guys like what you're seeing and if you like what you're hearing. Okay, you could give us a call. We could recommend a whole lot of stuff to you. We could give you guys scope of work. We could give you guys a lot of recommendations as well. If there's something you guys are interested in we could do for you. We could get you guys at the top. I mean, that's what this thing is about anyway, to make sure you guys are #1. So if you want to get back to me, you could call 202-900-2950. okay, 202-900-2950. My name is Princess from Alexandria SEO Experts, and if you call me and I'm not available, my boss will attend to you, so that ain't a problem at all. Have a great one there, guys.